Champions League attention ibitego bine
cyane muzima cyane akunda gusimbura Victor Osimhen baragira bati Eintracht Frankfurt host Napoli in the first leg of the Champions League round of 16 crash.
Wango ikipe ya Eintracht Frankfurt nyine iraza kwakira imikino ikipe ya Napoli kuri imikino ya 18 nyine mukino banza.
Umunyabosnia aragira ati Frankfurt are just 5 points off the summit of the Bundesliga.
No pango ikipe ya Frankfurt kugeza ubungubu ugiye kureba ko urutonde rw'agateganyo ruhagaze irarushwa amanota 5 n'ikipe ya mbere muri championnat Bundesliga y'Abadage
and are still in the running for a Champions League spot.
Kandi baracyakomeje no kurushanwa nyine muri campaign ya Champions League
yego despite currently occupying the 6th place in Bundesliga.
Nubwo mu by'ukuri bafite umwanya wa gatanu cyangwa ari ku mwanya wa gatandatu ku rutonde rw'agateganyo rwa shampiyona y'Abadage ntibabujije nyine gukomeza iyo campaign no kwitwara neza muri iyo campaign ya Champions League.
Their 2-0 win against Werder Bremen meant they have won their last 5 games at home in all competitions.
Ngo baheruka gutsinda ikipe ya Werder Bremen ibitego 2-0 mu rugo hanyuma batsinze imikino 5 yikurikiranya nyine bakoze yo run imikino 5
mu byumve neza abantu mujya guterekaho ubwacu akantu mukumva imikino 5 mu rugo nta numwe batsinzwe. Compare that to Napoli who have dropped just 7 points in Serie A so far for a possible of 69 points.
No kuvuga ngo ikipe ya Napoli yo imaze gutakaza amanota 7 mu manota 69 yashobokaga
ngo mu manota 60 ugereranyije gufata mu mikino bamaze gukina 23 yatakajemo amanota 7 bivuga ngo kiba ifite imikino 20 yatsinze cyane akora ku buryo Napoli n'umwanya and one of their Champions League group stages games.
Bisa batsinze rero imikino yose usibye umukino batakajemo umukino bari mu tsinda nawe
aho yavuga ko after
muri kipe ya Liverpool ibitego 2 ariko baramaze
Frankfurt will want to take some sort of advantage into the second leg.
Kimara bigiye kunzengereza
baraza gukora ishoboka byose bashaka amantage kuri rege yakabishye ku mukino wo kwishyura bango barawushakira nyine mu mukino wanza mu Eintracht ariko baraza gura n'ikipe
imirongo y'umuribanye hamwe n'umagent wa Cogebanque